Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to speak English fluently using simple words. Many people think fluency means big vocabulary, difficult words, perfect grammar, but that is not true. Fluency means speaking without fear, speaking without stopping again and again. Let me tell you something simple. When a child starts speaking, does the child use big vocabulary? Does the child use difficult words? No, not at all. The child use basic words but speak daily. He is using very simple words but he is speaking on regular basis, and that is the secret. So you have to use that secret too. You have to practice. Use simple words but on regular basis, on daily. For example, instead of saying I am extremely delighted, you can say I am very happy. Instead of saying I am exhausted, you can say I am very tired. So, what we are learning here, what we learn here, we have to use simple words and we don't have to focus on learning so difficult words and being a good vocabulary stored person. No. And one thing, simple words, clear meaning, and confident voice makes you fluent. And don't wait, don't wait to learn thousands new words. Speak with the 100 words what you have already learned, what you have already knew. Means you don't have to focus on learning so much words. You have to focus on speaking by using the words you already know. So, what you can do? You can do two things. You can practice in front of mirror, and also you can make videos, or you can make videos when you speak, when you practice. So, in that videos, what you can do? In that videos, you can describe your room. You can describe your feelings. You can tell your feelings, and whatever comes in your mind you can say, because you are not going to show that videos in to anyone. And also when you do mirror practice, you can also speak in front of mirror whatever comes in your mind. Just you have to focus on speaking in English. Means you have to focus on whatever you are saying, you have to say in English. And also you will be free on that time. Nobody will be there to judge you, nobody will be there to know about your secret. And what I will say, uh, doing mirror practice or by making videos, it is good because you can express your feelings here, whatever comes in your mind. Sometimes we get to depressed, or you can say we get to we live in a very bad mood, we feel so sad, but we didn't feel like in front of whom I can say, to whom I can share. And we didn't get someone to share. So this is the very good thing. You can share in front of mirror, you can share by making videos for yourself, and it will make you feel very free. It will make you feel too, what I can say, alive. On that time, you will feel like you express yourself. It doesn't matter you are expressing yourself in front of people or anybody. You just need to express yourself, and this is very good thing, because when you will express yourself, it will give you two benefit. One, you will learn English, and you will be you will able to speak. It will make your fluency better because you are practicing here, you are saying your feelings. And second thing, you will feel so free, you will feel freedom by saying whatever comes in your mind in front of mirror or in the video. You will feel like all the heaviness went away, whatever was in your mind. So this is very good thing, and I do it a lot. And one thing you should to remember, and we all should remember, fluency is not about impressing someone. It's not about impressing people. Fluency means expressing yourself. You don't have to think about you have to that much fluent so that you can impress people. No, you have to fluent so that you can express yourself easily. You can express yourself in front of anybody. You can say whatever comes in your mind. It will make your life easier because it could be we went somewhere where people didn't know about our native language. Then what we can say, how we can convey ourselves. If we need something, then how we can tell them what I need. So on that time, we can convey our message in the language. This is English because there are there are people who don't know about your native language, but most of the people know English, and English makes our life easier to walk away anywhere, to go anywhere. Because if you know English, then you can express yourself in front of anybody. Because if they don't know your native language, then too they will understand English. So start today, use basic words, speak daily, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because practice makes progress, not perfection. When you will practice, you will progress. You will not become perfect. It will take time to be a good speaker. And also, you should to remember making mistake is not a sin. It's not any crime. So you can make mistakes while learning, and we will learn. We are learning here. So thank you for the watching. We will meet in the next video.